Hey y'all, it's your girl Tiana. I can only be me, and I am back with another haul. I went to the store and I got rest of the stuff that I think that I'm gonna need to finish up my bathroom. Okay, so first off, I'm gonna show y'all. I went to a couple different stores, and so I'm gonna just start right here. I don't put it together already, so I'm gonna just show you the box. But I went to Burlington. I spent $14.99. I bought this little bathroom towel, little rack thing, and I'm not gonna use it for this. What I'm gonna be, I'm not gonna be using it for towels. So what I'm gonna be using it for is my, some kind of decorations I'm gonna put on it or whatever. I don't know, but I might add a few little towels to it. I'm not sure, but I don't put it together. And it was real easy, and it's a nice height. It's a silver color, and it didn't take that long to put together. The screws already came hooked into the poles. Only thing I had to do was put it together and tighten it up. Okay, so it's pretty tall. It's the perfect height for my bathroom. I'm gonna put it like that because especially where I'm going to be putting it at, it's the perfect height. And I needed something. I wanted something that had 3 shelves on it that was going to be what was it? 3 shelves on it, and was going to be small enough to fit where I was going to put it at. So I know that. So what I had in mind to put on it is I went back to Home Goods, y'all, and I purchased this how do you say that thing? Apothecary? Anyway, I don't know how to say that, y'all. My mouth don't fix right to say it. But anyway, I purchased another one of these. So this is the one that I'm going to be putting my Epsom salt in. And I purchased the bigger one. And this one here was $12.99. So yeah, I got that. And I went to the Dollar Tree and I purchased these trays right here. So I said I was gonna sit it on the tray like that way, because you know I don't want to just sit it on here and then it just be falling over and stuff, you know. So I figure if I sit it on the tray, and the tray, it fits perfect on this thing, the long way and the short way. So the short way, it'll look nice, but you know, what I'm gonna do, I bought some bling wrap, and I'm gonna jazz up the little trays or whatever. I'm gonna put some of this bling wrap, and I got it from the Dollar Tree, and I'm gonna jazz up, see it? And I'm gonna jazz up the trays or whatever. And also I purchased this vase right here, and I'm gonna be putting some flowers in it to go onto that rack as well. So I'm gonna decorate this vase with some bling wrap. So I bought 3 of these trays. Okay. Y'all, I got it going on up in here. Going on. Okay, so I am going to be organizing up under my cabinets in the bathroom. So I just bought different size baskets or whatever. I bought some of these 3-in-a-pack small white ones. And I bought these long ones like this. And what I had in mind to do was I needed to add some height, because I don't have a lot of, my cabinet is small and I don't have no laundry closet, no linen closet, no nothing in my house. So I have to utilize what I have to make do what I got. Okay, so I was thinking about doing it like this, and taking those 2 baskets and putting it up under there like that. That way I could take another basket and put it on top of here, you know, just so that's what I had in mind to do with these baskets, you know, just organize up under my cabinet. So I bought 2 of these, and I bought 2 of those baskets right there. And then I bought 3 of these baskets here, and they come with a lid on them, y'all. Dollar Tree had these, and they come with a little lid that goes right on top of them. So this is in black, and that one's in black. And I bought 3 of those. I got 3 of those. Okay, So then I also purchased me some black and brown eyeliner. I bought 2 of those, two of each. And then I bought some of these trash bags. You get 40 in a pack, and it's the lemon scent. I bought some of those. And I bought 3 of these kind of baskets. Now these is brown. No, I bought 4. 3 or 4 of these baskets, and these are brown, and they don't come with a lid, but they open. And the only reason why I went with this type of basket was just in case something started leaking or whatever. I wouldn't worry about, you know, it messing up if I had the cloth kind. So I went with this kind because I can wipe them out. Alrighty. So moving on. I also purchased my grandmother some more of this red alcohol. So I bought 2 bottles of those. This is the one that is the arthritis. I told y'all about it in one of my other videos, but if you're new to my channel, this is the arthritis sport and penetrating heat rub, Epsom salt plus alcohol for rubbing and soaking. And it says you can use it for arthritis, aching muscle sprains, aching stiff joints, tired, aching feet. And I tried some of y'all, and I think it did work. I'm gonna try it again and see what I think about it, because when I was tired and I was aching and stuff, and I went in there and I rolled down in some of this oil. Okay, and then I also bought her some melatonin from there, and I purchased some more of the Arctic ice. She like to use this Arctic ice or whatever, so I got her some more of that. Got to stay stocked up on her stuff so she can be rubbed and greased down, honey. Okay, so then I went to Walmart and I bought her some of this washing powder. This is the all free and clear kind. I use that for her because she has sensitive skin. And I purchased her some of these 81 milligram baby aspirin, and she take these every day with her medication. I also bought me some of this what this is, chrome or silver. Yeah, it's silver spray paint, and this is the one that is 2 times ultra paint plus primer. So I'm gonna be using this because I'm gonna be spray painting the other shelf that it's a corner shelf that I have in my bathroom. I'm gonna be spray painting that, and I am also going to be I'm gonna be spray painting something else, honey. I'm being here spray painting everything. So I bought some of that from Walmart, and then I bought me some of this Degree Shower Clean Invisible Solid deodorant, and it was a 2 in a pack. And then I bought me some glitter because I'm gonna be spray painting my shells and stuff, and I'm gonna be adding glitter to them to give them some bling bling. So I needed to get some Mod Podge. I thought I had some here already, so I never did. I left it at the store and didn't get it. Okay, so moving right along. At Walmart, I purchased 2 packs of these 60 count plates. We use paper plates all the time, honey, because don't nobody want to wash dishes all the time. So I got some of that. And I bought my grandma this it's a big size one, but it's a spray bottle, so she can pour her alcohol in it because she be making a mess when she be putting that stuff on her. So I bought her this spray bottle so she could just spray it on or whatever, and it be less messy. Grandma got you a spray bottle. Got you a spray bottle for your alcohol. And then I purchased her 3 boxes of the tissues, and I bought her some of this hydrocortisone cream for itching, and she had some kind of flare-up or whatever. We don't know where it came from, but the hydrocortisone and the other itch cream, it seems to help with her flare-up or whatever. So I bought some Epsom salt, and I bought this to go in that jar right there or whatever, but I was gonna put it in a smaller one, but then I ended up buying that big one. So I'm gonna still put this in that big one, and I'm gonna go and buy some more to add to it. Okay, so I bought just 1 of those, and I bought 3 of these, and I bought 3 of the tissues. So that is for you. You can put that on your car. This the other pack of plates right here that I got from Walmart. All right, so from Burlington, I needed some some little decorative little sticks, whatever you want to call them. What do they call them? Floral decorations, but you know, it's the one with the straw. And so I purchased these from Burlington, and they were $7.99, $7.99, and they got my color in it. They got like just plain wood color, but look, you know I was gonna keep it seashell. And look, they got little shells and starfish and stuff in it, and then it got gray in it, just like the colors that's gonna be in my bathroom. So I got that. And then I purchased this towel, this paper towel holder for the paper towels that we're gonna have in the bathroom. And I went to, what's the name of the store? Home Goods. And I got this here. Now I know I'm doing my bathroom, but I couldn't leave these in the store because they was on sale. So I got these right here, and these gonna be for the decorations in my living room. I'm gonna put them I said I was gonna put them on my table in here. I think that's where they're gonna go. So I'm gonna put them on my table in the living room, and y'all look at them with the little flower detailing on them. And I bought 2 of those, and these were the tallest ones that they had, and they were $9 a piece. So I think that is it, you guys. That's it, y'all, for this haul. I hope y'all enjoyed it. I didn't show the other one because when I took it out the bag, this part came off of here, and I guess that's why it's on clearance, because it came apart. So honey, good thing I had bought me some of that adhesive fix all glue from the Dollar Tree. I glued that thing on there, so I got it glued. I got it drying right now. I done glued it back together or whatever. And if that don't work, hopefully if it come off again, it don't break, then I'm gonna use me some E6000 glue and glue it, and I know that'll help it. All right, so if you are new to my channel and this is your first time watching my video, please subscribe to my channel if you like my video, okay? If this video isn't enough for you, then go over to my channel and check out whatever else that I have. If you like my videos, then you subscribe. Welcome back to all of my old subscribers, okay? I just had to say that because, you know, I can't leave y'all out. Y'all don't want to help me get where I'm at, all right? So anyway, y'all, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Until next time, this your girl Tiana. I can only be me. Peace and love always.